Hey pack leaders, I'm going to do a follow-up video to that Tron with the Mad Hatter strategy when we're trying to fix and troubleshoot that one area where it could have sold much higher but it sold too early, and it was actually the boiler bands. I was kind of thinking, like, well, it wasn't MACD, wasn't RSI, well, it has to be boiler bands. So now it's like, how do we change this boiler band? So looking at the same time of January 18, it was, where were we? Hopefully I don't, January 18 at 04. Now, I don't know how exactly it's calculated, but if someone does know how to do this, let me know. Please comment below of what the settings I should probably put. But I did mess with it a little bit, and it did get a little higher up, but there is no more buy signals from it because it just didn't touch the bottom band, I'm guessing. But I think my previous settings before was 14 here. No, it was 20. It was 20. Uh, so let's go 20, and it was 2. This was the previous settings for what the boiler band was doing. Alright, so there it is. It bought and it sold here, and it just didn't buy anymore. Was there a way to fix that? Well, maybe. Let's see if I can maybe move the bottom band up. If it does move up, maybe it'll buy. So just kind of tweaking with it. If I do have better ways of calculating it, I will let you know. So 18, where's January 18 at 04. Alright, it is moving it tighter, but it's just way too high. So let's see. At the same time, I'm thinking to myself, like, should I be messing with this? But we're probably saying nope. But let's just try anyway. Dima. What is Dima? Dima. Well, let's see here. Well, I'm making a touch, but nothing's really showing any other buy signals here for the 24-minute whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and return it. I will research a little bit more about boiler bands, and I'll do an update video if once I learn how this thing works. But for those of you guys who are active traders and traders in the past and know how to work boiler bands, I'm sure you guys will be able to figure this out way faster and know what to do with it. SMA 20. I think everything's back to normal. 20. So yeah, it's always good to do a screenshot so you can revert back to their to what you had previously that was working good. Alright, so there it is. Yeah, comment below, guys. I'll need your help with this. If you know what settings I should put for the boiler bands, if I should do anything, or it's just the nature of it all, and don't mess with it if it ain't broke. Since it's doing what it's supposed to do, since it's buying down on the bounce and up onto there, and how would we get it to maybe not bounce so early? Is there a way for it to kind of maybe bounce up here instead? Like, is there a way to do that? 2.5% upper. I guess maybe let's try 3. Well, I don't know. Looks like not. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Help me out. Bye.